Open your favorite browser and then search for Node.js. The first link which will appear here will be from nodejs.org. I'm going to just click on this link, and once this Node.js website is open, you can see there are two versions of Node.js. One is NTS, which is long-term supported version, and another one is current release version. So it is recommended for most users to download LTS because it is a stable version of Node.js. Click on this LTS download button and wait for a few seconds. Node.js downloaded. I'm going to click on the executable file. And I will just minimize my browser, and you can see the Node.js installer has been started, and after a few seconds, you will be able to see this kind of interface. Node.js setup wizard is open. Click Next. Here you can see End User License Agreement. Read the license agreement and accept license agreement. Click Next. Node.js installation location by default disk C. If you need to change, select location or click Next. In this custom setup, leave by default. Click Next. Tools for native module. If you need this, click the checkbox and it will automatically install necessary tools. Click Next. Ready to install Node.js. Click on Install. I can see that the installation is completed. Click Finish. Press any key for install additional tools for Node.js. Check Node.js installed or not. Open command prompt and type nodv. Node.js version has displayed here the Node.js installed. Type exit command for exit command prompt. Thank you for watching this video.